In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom colors in Looker Studio reports. This can be particularly useful when you want to align your report with your brand's color palette or simply add a unique visual flair to your dashboard. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll talk about customizing colors using themes and layout. Imagine this as setting the foundation for the aesthetic of your entire report. To begin, open your report in Edit mode, where you have full access to all the customization tools Looker Studio offers. Once there, you'll find an option in the toolbar that says Theme and Layout. Give that a click. Within this section, you'll find a variety of options, but for our purpose, you'll want to click on Customize under the Theme section. This is your main playground for setting a consistent color scheme throughout your report. You can tailor-make the color settings for elements like text, backgrounds, chart palettes, borders, and more. This ensures that every piece of your report speaks in the same visual language, which can be especially effective for storytelling or maintaining brand consistency. Now here's a neat trick. If you have a branded image or logo, you can utilize the Extract theme from Image feature. Simply upload your image, and Looker Studio will draw inspiration from it, generating a cohesive theme that mirrors your brand visuals. Moving on, let's explore how to apply custom colors to specific components within your report. This is all about granularity and taking control over individual elements. Suppose you want a particular chart or text component to have its own distinct look. In Edit mode, select the specific chart, scorecard, or text component you're focused on. Once selected, direct your attention to the right-hand pane and click on the Style tab. Here, you'll interact with the component's individual parts, such as the background, text, or slices of a chart. For each aspect you want to customize, open the color picker. When the color picker is open, head over to the Custom section where you'll notice a plus icon. By clicking on this, you can input a specific color using its HEX or RGB values. You also have the option to use the sliders if you're inclined to experiment with shades and hues. Once you choose your custom color, it's saved in that section, making it easy to reuse throughout your report. It's important to be aware that once you manually style a component with custom colors, it won't auto-update if you change your theme later. While this means you might have to manually adjust these components if you change your overall theme, it also offers you the precision to have elements exactly how you envision them. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to using custom colors in Looker Studio. By following these steps, you can not only craft reports that visually resonate with your audience, but also uphold your brand's visual standards effectively.